Happy International Zine Month! Today is day 18 and the prompt for today is treasure. For me, that meant making a zine all about geocaching. Geocaching is a treasure hunt for the digital age. A geocache or cache is a small waterproof treasure box hidden outdoors. Geocaches come in all different shapes, sizes and difficulties and are hidden in both rural and urban settings. Geocachers seek out these hidden boxes guided by a GPS-enabled device which uses coordinates or waypoints to help you find your cache. Geocaching was started to celebrate the accuracy of the modern GPS, which stands for Global Positioning System, and the first cache was created in 2000. This game of hide and seek is played by millions, and there are geocaches all over the world. Geocaches are currently placed in over 100 countries, and there are caches on all 7 continents, including Antarctica. There are probably a bunch of caches near you right now, and you'll have passed so many of them every day without even realising. The zine that I've made today is a mini field guide and an introduction to all things geocaching. It is written from the perspective of a geocaching newbie. I am a geocaching newbie. And in it I hope to answer all of the questions you might have about geocaching when first starting out, aka all the questions I asked when I first became obsessed with this treasure hunting pastime. I created this zine digitally in Photoshop and used some images of the geocaching adventures that we've been on. Why should I go geocaching, I hear you ask? Well, let me tell you about all the reasons I love geocaching. Geocaching helps you discover new places in your area that you never even knew existed. It can help you find beautiful and interesting locations, both in your hometown and when you travel further afield. Geocachers are an environmentally friendly bunch, and you can learn to be more eco-minded while out geocaching. It sates that need in all of us to collect things and tick off items on a list. Very good for your inner goblin. Geocaching is a great activity for all the family and can encourage reluctant kiddos and big kids to get outside. Geocaching makes adventuring accessible to everybody, and it can be a great way to get some exercise in the fresh air while having fun. It could help you make new friends, as there are plenty of geocaching events and meetups happening all the time, although maybe not at the moment due to lockdown and COVID, but you know, soon hopefully. Geocaching is a challenge, both mentally and physically, and it'll provide you with fantastic stories to tell, and that is what I love most about it. I hope this zine is a nice little introduction for you, and if you've never heard of geocaching before, I hope this prompts you to learn more. My little treasure zine is now available in my store, so if you want to grab your own copy of this zine, click the link in my description below to grab your own copy of this geocaching field guide. If you liked this video, you might want to pop back and visit my micro adventures video. In it, I talked all about the little micro adventure I had to New Asgard, and I made a little zine about it too. I'll leave that linked in the description below for you to check out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, do hit that subscribe button as I'll be making a lot more zine making videos. But that's all for today, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!